Cristiano Ronaldo eats 6 meals a day, strictly avoids sugar, but is obsessed with this carbs and egg dish. This is bacalhau or brush, a Portuguese classic made with salted cod, matchstick fries, and scrambled eggs. Let's make it! In South Africa, we don't get salted cod, so the replacement would be hake or snoek. Here I'm using 500 grams of hake. I've steamed it and then just smashed it up a bit. I've also cut up 3 large potatoes and made them into matchstick sizes, fried them and left them aside. To a pan, add in a quarter cup of olive oil. Add in 1 onion finely chopped, 1 teaspoon of freshly crushed garlic. Saute this until the onions are a light golden brown color. Add in the 500 grams of steamed hake that we left aside and 3 beaten eggs. Allow to cook until light and fluffy. Remember, this is on high heat. While the eggs are cooking, add in half a teaspoon of black pepper powder and half a teaspoon of fine salt. Mix this all together. Then add in your fries and leave some fries aside for garnishing. Mix the fries into the eggs while ensuring that they are still hard and crispy. This cooks very quickly and is usually ready in 5 minutes to serve. To serve, place the contents of the frying pan or saucepan into bowls. Then garnish with some olives. It could be a mix of different types of olives. And this makes this dish such a Mediterranean-style flavored dish. Place some crispy fries over this as a garnish. Add in some chopped parsley just for color. And you're ready to serve your bacalhau or brush to your friends and family. This is my way of making it, and if you do try it, let me know in the comments how it turned out for you. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, hitting the notification bell so that you're notified of all my uploads.